Hey, what's up? I'm back. This Mr. Couponer with a 5 off 25 with cleaning and laundry items only. First, if you have not subscribed before you begin, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when all new videos have been uploaded, when all new content has been uploaded. First, you will click the 5 off 25 Family Dollar Smart Coupon. There's a 25 cents off of Gain 40 ounce liquid, or you can do the Gain Fling 13 count. There's also $1 off of the Downy fabric softener in the 41 to 50 ounce. There's $1 off of Tide Simply the 13 count. There's a $5 off of the Febreze refills. And there's $1 off of Tide liquid, the 37 to 40 fluid ounce, sorry. So that will bring your subtotal to $25.80. The 5 off 25 will come off. The $1 for the Gain, $1 for the Downy, $1 for the Tide, $5 for the Febreze, $1 for the other Tide, making your subtotal $11.80. Total of 6 items, making each item $1.96 each. You'll be saving $14 on this scenario for a total of 46% in savings. Again, this is the scenario for 5 off 25 for cleaning and laundry products. This is actually scenario 1. Alright, so this is scenario 2. This would be hey Betty Young, sorry, your comment just popped up. So you clip the 50 cents off of the Gain dish liquid. I believe it's a 21.4 ounce. There's a 50 cents for Clorox bleach, the 116 to 121 ounce. There's a 50 cents off of the Clorox Power, that's a different one than the regular one. There's a $2 off a Swiffer refill. The Swiffer refill this week is on sale for $4. So I believe it's 12 to 16 is what in the refill that's in the ad. So you pay $2 for that one. There's $2 off of the Swiffer starter kit. There's no coupon for the Homeline liquid or the packs. There's $1 off of the Sun liquid 188 ounce. And then also make sure you grab the 95 cent Homeline multi-surface, the 50 cents ounce, or the dish liquid. That will bring your subtotal of $25.60. Your 5 off will come off. Your 50 cent for the Gain, your 50 cent for the Clorox, your other 50 cent for the Clorox Power, your $2 for the Swiffer, $2 for the starter kit, $1 for the Sun liquid, making your subtotal $14.10. I know for some people this may be a little high. You may not want to spend, but it's using digital. So if you have any other paper, like paper coupons or whatever, you can use them, because I looked at some of the coupons and Family Dollar, you can use up to 4 identical coupons in one transaction, I believe. So that will, if you got paper, you can combine the paper with the digital or whatever and get it down. So for this scenario, you would save $11.50 for 8 items, making your out of pocket for each item $1.76 each. Savings for this trip will be 55%. So these are the 2 scenarios for the 5 off 25 for laundry and cleaning products.